the 24 hours ending at 8:30 a.m. of today, that is on 18th of September, almost all stations over Goa reported moderate rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 1.5 centimeter minimum. And out of that, actually heavy rainfall, that is rainfall higher than 6 centimeters, was recorded at two stations. Anji and Kankon reported 8 centimeters each. Marmagaon, then Malpoi reported 6 and 4 centimeters each. And then there was Pernem and Daboling reporting 3 centimeters each. Now, regarding the forecast of weather for the coming days, there are actually a number of systems that are going to enhance the rainfall activity over Goa in this coming 3 to 4 days. And those systems are like, first thing is something called a shear zone that is there running over the 15-degree latitude, 16-degree latitude in fact, at a height of around 3.1 to 5.8 kilometers from mean sea level. And then there is a cyclonic circulation over the west central Arabian Sea near to Andhra Pradesh and Orissa coast. So these two systems are there already, and there is another system that is very likely to form by around 20th of September over east Bay of Bengal. So all these systems are going to enhance the monsoon activity and the rainfall over Goa in these coming days. The rainfall activity is going to be higher on 19th, 20th and 21st of September. There is a good possibility that very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours, that is going to take place at 3 or 4 stations over North Goa and South Goa districts on 19th, 20th and 21st of September. Now, since the activity is very high, there is even possibility of 1 or 2 stations exceeding 20 centimeters of rainfall in 24 hours. So this is regarding the rainfall in these coming days. Highest high activity of rainfall is expected on 19th, 20th and 21st of September. And we would request that public who are staying in areas which are vulnerable for this weather related disasters, they should be taking precautions for that. And now fishermen warning. The weather near the coast of North Goa, South Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and even Lakshadweep area are going to be experiencing squally weather in this coming 5 days, that is from 18th up to around 22nd. Weather is going to be squally over these coastal areas. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea. Winds will be of the speed of around 45 to 55 kilometers per hour during these 3 to 4 days, 5 days maybe. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea from 18th to 22nd along North Maharashtra, South Maharashtra, Goa coast, Karnataka, Kerala and Lakshadweep coast. Regarding the total rainfall that has taken place over Goa in this particular monsoon season, up to 18th of September till now, around 374 centimeters of state average rainfall has been reported over Goa. Now that is around 31% higher than the normal value for this period. Now we can see that this amount is slowly approaching last year's total seasonal value of around 394 centimeters.